We spoke a little bit before about safety culture. And so in 2022, they moved into their new headquarters, which they've now filled. Really respect what Luke and his team have built, focusing on addressing a really sticky problem in how do you make workplaces safer, and to make those systems of enabling safety easier to use. And that's what they've done so brilliantly. But what's also interesting, it's a bit of a story of the evolution of our startups into scale-ups, into unicorns, is then a focus on enterprise engagement. And so we've seen this move into global motorsports by our unicorns, whether we think about Atlassian and their sponsorship of Williams F1. We think about the SafetyCulture, who've partnered with Haas F1 in the last year. But interestingly, also, they've become a major supporter of NASCAR, because if you're going to sell products to Middle America, NASCAR is the way you do that. Similarly with Airwallex, they're a partner of McLaren F1. And as we look down the hill here, we'll talk a little bit about Rokt in a moment. Rokt, founded by Bruce Buchanan, are now the side sponsor of this year's Red Bull racing car. We're going to head down the hill here, talk a little bit about Rokt, talk a little bit about Square Peg Venture Capital, and that'll bring this tour to a close.